What if I tell you that this award-winning scrolling website was built completely using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and a free version of Cursor? Believe me, I did the same thing. Today I will show you step by step of how I did it one by one. Let's go. We need to create the start frame and end frame to create the animation video using Flow. So first we need to go to Whisk, and this is Whisk, and here enter tool and paste the prompt that will create the earphone image. So for here, let's paste the prompt. This is the entire prompt that will generate earphones image. So the start frame looks like it's laying in the ground, I mean the white background. So let's just enter it, and yeah, it's pretty much like this, and I'm gonna just download this. I think because I like it this way, I mean the white background perfectly fine and the shadow, yeah, smooth. So I'm downloaded this. Yeah, it's download again, I think. Now let's paste the second prompt that will create the end frame. To create the end frame, you need to upload this image to as a subject. I mean, you need to upload this image as a subject. So come over here, upload the image, and I have uploaded the image, and then I'm gonna paste this prompt and then enter. Can I either download this or this? For me, I guess I'm gonna download this one. So download this. Now we have the start frame and then frame. So let's go to Flow then. So now we are at the Flow and create new project. Click on this toggle and select the frame to video, and here you need to add the start frame and then frame. We have added the start frame and the last frame. So now our next step is paste the prompt, and this is the animation prompt, and then I'm gonna just enter, and we got our result. Let's play it. And it's looking really fine, and let's download this right now. Download it, and I'm not using the pro version. Wait, let me post this. Okay, I'm not using the pro version, so I'm gonna download this as 720p, and it's downloading. Now our next step is simply convert this video into JPG sequence. For that, I'm gonna be using the EZGIF. So this is the site I'm gonna be using to create the sequence of images from that video. So I'm gonna just upload the file here. Now I have uploaded the file, and then scroll down, and here this button like upload video, tap on that. I want to use this current position, scroll down and convert to JPG. Now let's go and download this file. We already added some JSON files to the cursor, and these are JSON files like building rules, components, design style, hero animation, and then layout structure JSON. So these are the files. Now let's paste a prompt one by one and make it happen. And that's it. I finally created the animation website. So first I did was create it from prompt, but I'm using the HTML, CSS and JS script here. So yeah, made it simple as possible. Then I create a folder and add all the images, and then before all that I just created JSON files, and then created a public folder and add all the images, and then create a prompt one by one and get it done. That's it, simple as that. Now I will show you how the result look like. And this is the working animation website, I mean award-winning animation website using Cursor. Now let's scroll down. See the animation, how it look like that. Wow, I really like it. See, this is the animation I am talking about, and that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, and I'll create more contents like this.